Well, we're here at Mountain Creek Bike Park in Vernon, New Jersey for round number 4 of the SRAM Downhill Southeast in the picturesque rolling hills of northern New Jersey. The track here at Mountain Creek drops about 1,000 vertical feet, and we're using a variation on the track from the National Series downhill race here in 2021. We've got a couple new sections that are taped a little differently. Going to make the riders have to double check those line choices if they want to come out on the podium.
Sick. It's sick. Yeah, I've raced here a few times. Haven't raced here in the past few years because of COVID, so this track is kind of new to me, but it's fun. It's good. The track doesn't really disappoint, and events are always good out here, so yeah, stoked.
Well, the weather has been absolutely brilliant for Friday and Saturday here at Mountain Creek Bike Park, and the riders are firing on all cylinders. We had seating this evening, and for the pro women, it was Shell Peugeot who came out on top. Abigail Ronca just 2 seconds back in second place, and young Victoria Zanoni was third for the pro women. For the pro men, it was Nico Mullally coming back to form with the top spot in seating. Tristan Lemire coming down from Canada in second, and Max Morgan, your 2021 Eastern States Cup champion, in third. Well, race day Sunday is here for round number 4 of the SRAM Downhill Southeast at Mountain Creek Bike Park. We had overnight rain showers. Exact amounts are unknown, but I can tell you it's slick out there this morning. Conditions will be playing mind games with riders because the sun is coming out. We expect this course to be drying up and could be just as fast as it was in season. Congratulations to all the racers that came out to the round number 4 of SRAM Downhill Southeast here in Mountain Creek. We had an amazing weekend. For the pro women, Shell Peugeot took home her 3rd win of the season, just ahead of Abigail Ronca and Victoria Zanoni in finals. For the pro men, Nico Mullally continued to put down heaters as he would take the win over Tristan Lemire and Max Morgan.
very, very hot and sweaty out here this weekend, but we had a good track, lots of rocks and lots of fun.
Yeah, it was great. I thought it was awesome to bring the race up here. Lots of new faces from the Northeast trying out one of our races, and a bunch of people from the South coming here for the first time to try out the bike park.
That wraps up round number 4 of SRAM Downhill Southeast. We can't wait to get to our final 2 rounds. Will be in Snowshoe, West Virginia, June 4th through 6th, and season finale will be in the High Country of North Carolina and Beach Mountain, June 24th through 26th.